Everyone, and welcome back to my channel, guys. I'm a new mother, and this video I have come up with unboxing my breast pumping machine. So no, it's a manual pumping machine. Yeah, as you can see, it's a manual breast pump. So guys, this pump, it's very nice. Perhaps I'm a working class mother, and sometimes I do leave my baby at work and I can move around. So in that case, I decided to come up with a manual breastfeeding pump. It helps to improve the lactation of breast milk after breastfeeding your child. It is important to expose out any excess remaining breast milk to stimulate the mammy glands and improve lactation of breast milk in preparation for the next feeding. That's what they are saying here. And it enables you to sit in more comfortable expressing position to lean forward to ensure discover it to ensure breast ends up in the bottle. Soft cushion gives a warm feel to the skin, so it has a lot of benefits. So guys, we are unboxing it today. So Mariam, say hi, say my hi, say hi. Okay, so we are going to open it. Oh my, this baby, she's super stubborn. And I'm going to be showing you how to use it in the next video. But in today's video, I'm going to be unboxing it. See? So, this is how it comes looking like. Okay, you see? This is how it looks like. Oh my God, stop it! This baby, wait. Sugar ninis, look at this. You don't want to sit here. You guys, sorry. So it looks like this. So this is the bottle. You see, this is the bottle. This is the holder. The holder, this one holds to do the pumping. So I'm going to be showing you. This is a cover of the bottle. So I'm going to be showing you how they fix it. Okay, as you can see, so this one, you remove it. This is the bottle. This is the bottle. So we are going to be removing these ones. My baby can't allow to take those things. Okay, so I just want to take. Okay, so this is the pump. This is the bottle. I was telling you how I'm going to fix it. I'll put my bottle back. So this is how I'll put my bottle back. Then I'll put the pump here, this one. Like this. So guys, as you can see here, so as you can see, you put this one here, then you put the leg to the breast, then you start pumping like this. So breast milk will start definitely coming. You understand? So I'm going to make a video how I can pump milk manually with my pumping machine. You see? So breast will definitely be coming out. Yeah? They do like this, so the pump goes direct, so milk will start coming out.